Everyone, and now we're going to talk about taking notes. Well, note taking is a very, very useful skill, not only in your studies, but also in everyday life. Um, well, let's just dive into that. Well, to begin with, can you take a look at this little tiny baby paragraph? Read it, like pause the video, read it, and take notes. Okay, take notes the way you can. You pause the video and read it and take notes. Okay, yellow. Yellow, yellow. All right, hopefully you have paused the video, you have taken notes. Now take a look at your notes. Okay, and take a look and compare with what we are going to discuss right now. Well, when you take notes, the first step before you do that is, of course, to read the text, yeah, or to listen to the video or recording the lecture, or to read the text, and guess what? Guess what? If you have something like that, it's not really good notes. Yeah. Why not? Because, well, if you look back, you took the paragraph and you have written everything, almost everything, just removed a few words here and there. Yes, you organize stuff in bullet points, which is good. However, these are not notes. Okay, these are not notes. So the first thing you do, you read the text, or you listen to something, you listen to some lecture, and you identify key ideas, main ideas, key words, right, and phrases. So if you do it with the reading, you highlight it, circle, whatever you do. I don't know what you prefer doing. You identify these keywords and phrases. Because notes, it's not about writing everything. It's writing only important kind of pieces of information. Yeah. So for this text, these were the key words and phrases. And then move my face here. And then what we do, we use symbols and abbreviations. Do you know what abbreviations are? I hope you do. It's like shortening words or phrases into like letters. For example, Sultan Qaboos University, SQU. It's an abbreviation. Yeah, because if you all the time say, I'm from Sultan Qaboos University, yeah, like it takes ages to pronounce the whole phrase. SQU. Ta-da, that's it. So if you look, what is the difference here? For example, about blah 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 blah, right? Instead of about or approximately or I don't know what, you use this little symbol to show about, yeah, or square kilometers, right, in this way. Or disappearing every month, you shorten disappearing and month, and you just make it this way, right? Okay, moving on. Okay, so you have the keywords, you have used the symbols and stuff, and then you need to arrange it in the way that it looks good. Yeah, looks kind of neat and well organized. Bullet points are the easiest way to organize your notes, but also, of course, you can do, flow charts, diagrams, some maybe illustrations, doodles and stuff like that. Take a look at your book for some ways of organization. So it looks like this, yeah? ideally. This tiny paragraph, we just make, tiny kind of note-taking space. And I hope you've heard about Cornell note-taking system. You not only you take notes in the space provided, but you also state main ideas. Why are they doing that this way? Well, because if you, for example, have to read a huge book, huge, very thick book, and you need to get ready for your exam or any other event, yeah, you need to take notes in such a way that, like, after a month, when you open your note-taking sheet, you can figure out what it is about, yeah, so that you don't have to read the whole book. And if you have the main ideas on one side, okay, I've heard, like, I've seen somewhere the consequences of global warming, yeah. So where is it? You look at main ideas. You don't have to look through all the notes, right? Which is very convenient. So the Cornell note-taking system has main ideas column to the left, and people also write here some keywords, I don't know, to remember whatever they read or listened about. And this bigger space is for taking notes, and that's where you organize it properly, right? You see here I've used some arrows. Nice, isn't it? Yeah. I could draw something like forests if I was good at drawing. But that's the way it should look like. And that's the way we expect you to do it for your quiz. Okay? Cornell note-taking system. And to sum up, what we do, we use keywords and phrases. We use symbols and abbreviations. We use various ways of organizations for the note to look neat, well organized, and beautiful and easy to understand. And we highlight main ideas and put them in the column, separate column. Okay? So what we don't do, we don't make a mess. We don't copy paste or whatever, write the whole script of the lecture or the whole text. Like, what's the point then, right? What's the point of writing notes then? And we don't kind of make it hard to understand. Yeah. Notes, the point of notes is you need to look at them and understand what the whole thing, the whole lecture, the whole book, the whole article is about. Okay, hope it's clear. You can take a look at the sample notes somewhere around this file. Okay, if you can't find it, ask your teacher. And hopefully you got it. Bye.